Today we're going to take a quick look at this outdoor generator cover. The company did send it over and compensate me to make this video. And just for reference, the video I'm about to show you, my generator is an 11,000 watt Westinghouse generator. And this generator cover fits actually into this little bag here. I'll show you more about that in a second. Let's take a look at the video. So I have this actually stored inside for now because my generator is new, but I just want to test some covers on it. And this one, I love it. It rolls up in the front, attaches to itself, has a nice big tool pocket here, which I can keep some adapters in. And then this actually will tuck underneath, and you can tighten it onto the side. Now, also on that side there is a wind slit, which I'll show you a little bit more about here in a second. And then here on the back, you can roll this up as well, so you can actually use this outside while you're using your generator. It's got nice Velcro, strong Velcro here when you're not using it. That will go down as well. So let's go ahead and take an up-close look at it. So first of all, I really like that it does have the reflective piece here on the side. A very good quality material. So this is a 600D polyester. It's waterproof. Which is really nice to have. And then on this side, I'll try to show you as much as I can. There's actually a little wind slit, so almost like an upside down pocket, and it's got holes on the inside of it, but very nice stitching all the way around, as you can see there. In the buckle, once again, really nice quality buckle. So overall, very good, and I love that it does fit and will fold right back up and go into this little storage pouch or travel pouch if you need to, if you're using your generator for like work or something, and then you're just going to take this with you. So overall, very good quality material, very durable. All the stitching and everything's great, and it fit on my 11,000 watt perfectly fine. And once I kind of connected the bottom and gotten it tightened up, it looked really good as well. Hope this video helps.